Here's script. Step into a world where work transforms into a magical adventure. Your office isn't stuck in one building, but can be a secret hideaway, a sunny beach, or even a cozy treehouse. Work becomes an exciting journey where every day offers a brand new setting to create, share, and connect. Welcome to Explain Like I'm 5, where we take mind-bending topics and break them down into fun, easy-to-understand stories. Ready to get curious? Let's dive in. In today's world, grown-ups are discovering 3 amazing ways to work: remote work, hybrid work, and digital nomadism. Each of these ideas makes work more flexible and exciting, and they all rely on the magic of technology. Remote work is like having a special backpack filled with all the tools you need to set up your own office anywhere. Instead of going to one fixed building every day, people use computers and the internet to complete their work from home, a café, or even a park. The location doesn't matter as long as the work gets done. It's like drawing a picture. Whether you're sitting in your room or under a big bright sky in a garden, your art can still be amazing, as long as you have your crayons and paper. The secret behind remote work is our modern gadgets. Laptops, smartphones, and the internet allow us to talk, share ideas, and send our work across long distances in the blink of an eye. This technology connects us like an invisible bridge, so even if we're not in the same room, we can still work together as if we were side by side. Yet, working from home can sometimes be a bit challenging. Without a teacher or boss nearby, it's easy to get distracted by fun things around the house, like favorite toys, pets, or even the tempting call of a comfy couch. That's why having a special workspace, a little desk or corner set aside just for work, can help everyone stay focused. Next comes hybrid work, which is a blend of working in a traditional office and working from home. Think of it as going to school some days to learn with your friends and doing your homework at home on other days. With hybrid work, grown-ups can sometimes meet in a real office to share big ideas and sometimes work in the comfort of their own space. This mix gives them the best of both worlds, the fun and energy of face-to-face time and the freedom of a flexible schedule. When everyone agrees on which days to work together and which days to work alone, it's like a well-organized game where every piece fits perfectly. Then there's digital nomadism, a concept that sounds as thrilling as a grand adventure. Digital nomads are like modern-day explorers who travel the world while keeping up with their work. They pack their laptops and set off on journeys that can take them to busy cities, quiet mountain villages, or tropical islands. In each new place, they work and explore, blending work with the excitement of discovering a new culture. Their life is a mix of work and travel, where every destination becomes a chapter in a never-ending travel story. Technology is the key that makes all of these work styles possible. Video calls let us see our friends and coworkers, even if they are miles away. Online tools let people work on the same project together, sharing ideas like pieces of a giant puzzle. When everything works smoothly, it feels as if the invisible bridge of technology connects everyone, no matter where they are. Of course, sometimes that bridge can wobble when the internet is slow or a video call gets interrupted, but most of the time, technology brings us closer together. The future of work is important because it gives people more choices and freedom. When there's no long, tiring commute to an office, people can use that extra time to be with their families, learn new hobbies, or simply relax. Cities might become less crowded, and more people could choose to live in places that make them truly happy, rather than being forced into busy urban centers. In turn, companies benefit by being able to hire talented people from all around the world. It's like having a big box of crayons with every color imaginable. Each person brings a unique shade that makes the whole picture richer and more creative. However, these exciting ways of working also come with challenges. For those who work remotely, self-discipline is key. Without the structure of a classroom or office, it can be tricky to stay on task when distractions are everywhere. Creating a clear boundary between work time and playtime is like having a special spot for homework. Once you leave that spot, you know it's time to have fun. Communication is another challenge. In person, you can quickly tell if a friend is confused or needs help by looking at their face. When talking through screens or emails, those little clues can be missed. That's why being clear and checking in with each other is so important, whether you're in the office or at home. Digital nomads face their own set of puzzles. Traveling while working means constantly adjusting to new places, time zones, and even weather. Before heading off on a journey, digital nomads must make sure they have reliable internet and plan their schedules carefully, just like packing extra supplies for a school trip. This careful planning helps them overcome surprises like a spotty Wi-Fi signal or a confusing time difference, so they can continue their adventures without missing a beat. Looking ahead, the future of work holds even more magical possibilities. Technology is always advancing, and soon we might have virtual reality meetings where it feels like you're sitting right next to your friends, even if they're far away. Offices could evolve into creative spaces that people visit only when they need to collaborate closely, rather than spending all day behind a desk. This change could lead to a better balance between work and life, making every day feel a little lighter and more enjoyable. Of course, not every job can be done from anywhere. Some work, like caring for patients in a hospital or building houses, needs people to be in specific places. And that's perfectly okay. The future of work isn't about replacing all the old ways, but adding new choices. For jobs that can be done with a computer and a good internet connection, remote, hybrid, and digital nomad work open up a world of freedom and flexibility that wasn't possible before. Every journey has its bumps. There might be days when the internet is slow or when it's hard to figure out schedules, but each challenge is an opportunity to learn something new. With good planning, clear communication, and a bit of creativity, these challenges become stepping stones toward a more exciting way of working. In this ever-changing world, work isn't a fixed path. It's a lively, unfolding story where everyone can choose the way that fits them best. Whether you're drawn to the adventure of traveling the world like a digital nomad, the comfort of a home office, or the balanced rhythm of hybrid work, the future of work is about finding the perfect mix that makes you happy and productive. As we continue to explore these new ideas, we create a future that's not just about getting the job done, but about living a life full of wonder, flexibility, and creativity. Every day offers a new opportunity to shape the way we work and the way we live, making the world a bit more connected and a lot more fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time on Explain Like I'm 5.